In today's word of the day, we have taken a new word, new idiom, which is dark horse. Its meaning is a person who is not well known or not expected to succeed, but who later surprises everyone by doing very well or winning. And here it's Bengali meaning. এমন ব্যক্তি যার কাছ থেকে সাফল্য কেউ আশা করে না, কিন্তু সে হঠাৎ করে সফল হয়। And here are some examples how we can use it in a sentence. He is a dark horse in the competition. She was a dark horse and won the exam. The new players turned out to be a dark horse.